I know what you're thinking.
People who have used the law of assumption have transformed their careers and finances. Isn't it time for you? You become much more intuitive the more you use this, by the way. So let's call it intuition. Some people might call it psychic, but it's more intuition. I know you're thinking that $1,200 is a big investment. But let me ask you, how much is your dream life worth to you? The career you love, the financial freedom, the unshakable confidence, the unlimited opportunity. This isn't just a coaching program. It's an investment in you. It really is. Are you ready to invest in you? Because you're worth it. You are. I know you are. I'm so honored to have you work with me. I'm so honored to be part of your incredible journey. We'll do this. We have the birthright to be happy. So let me get you there. Let me help you get there, because you're going to get yourself there. I'd love to be part of that journey. You get expert guidance from one who's there, who's living it and doing it. I've spent years in research and practice, and still continue, because it is part of our lifetime and it's wonderful. And I have actionable coaching. You don't have to figure this out alone. I'm here. I'm right with you. All the way. You get proven techniques. These methods have helped people just like you manifest new jobs, my own clients, higher incomes, and more fulfilling lives. Lifetime benefits. It is a lifetime of happiness. The tools you'll learn are yours forever. You're not just paying for 12 weeks. You're investing in a lifetime of growth and abundance. You won't fall off. I won't let you. But if you did, you will always be able to go back. And the sessions, by the way, are recorded, so you get to keep them forever. So accountability and support. The program isn't a do-it-yourself course. No, it's not. Because I'm here. You'll get live coaching, a community. You will meet my past clients, and I do have a community on schools, so you will definitely be invited to join that, and personalized feedback to keep you on track, because I want you to be part of it. Think about it this way. If the program helped you manifest $10,000 raise or a thriving business, $1,200, it's a small price to pay for a return on that investment, right? May well be much more. Are you ready to say to yourself, let's enroll now? You write to my email, we'll get you started, and you tell me, I'm ready. You want a phone call? Send me an email. We'll do a Zoom call. Tell you more about it. Let me know. Don't let fear hold you back from the life you deserve. Do not ever let fear hold you back. You are unlimited. And you can talk to me about that. Give me a call. I also offer one-time coaching at $250. Of course, if you join my 12-week class, you'll get that. We will meet once a week. Are you ready to say yes to yourself? Let's go.